Okay, this is the whistle for IKEA's teapot kettle. And as you can see, it jiggles a bit. And the reason it jiggles is because the screw is loose down there. It makes the whistle sound very low. The volume got very low. I can barely hear the whistle anymore. So how to fix this? Now all you need is just one of these. And what you do is you just tighten up the screw here. Like quite a bit. And now that it's no longer jiggling, that should be tightened up pretty good. Now you can just slip it back to the kettle. It's whistling a lot better than before. And I'll even give you a bonus tip. If your kettle is not whistling as loud as it should be, just twist the black tip a bit until it's as loud as you like it to be. Just twist it a little bit. Just put it in place. It needs to be at a certain position for it to make a maximum loudness. You can set it to your liking.